And for more on the world of cryptocurrency, Louis Mossman joins us from Platypus. Always appreciate your time, Louis. Let's talk NFTs firstly. Goldman Sachs has expressed their interest. What exactly are their plans in the NFT space?
Yeah, of course. Well, just going on with the story you just mentioned then, more institutions moving into this space. So this week, Goldman Sachs has said they're exploring the tokenization of real assets. So one of their digital heads of assets, Matthew McDermott, said they're looking how NFTs in the context of financial instruments can be used within the business. So just last year, Goldman Sachs jumped into crypto, offering Bitcoin derivatives to their investors. Now they're taking another further step into NFTs. Earlier in the year, we had JP Morgan as well look to open their first lounge in the metaverse, particularly Decentraland. And last year, we had CBA said through the CommBank app, you're going to soon be able to hold digital assets, so buy, hold, and sell them. So what we're really seeing here is just that continued trend of all these major institutions offering and entering the space, whether it be cryptocurrency, blockchain, NFTs, or the metaverse. And to be perfectly honest, and in my opinion, that trend is only going to continue and accelerate.
So we spoke about the ASX crypto EFT last week, and I believe that's run into some regulatory roadblocks this week.
Yeah, and I spoke about it with such gusto last week and excitement. But you're right, yes, some roadblocks on Tuesday evening, in fact. They were meant to go live just 12 hours later, 10 o'clock on Wednesday morning at the open of trade, but that didn't happen. Now, no one's been blamed in particular, but what they did say, it's down to a service provider downstream, and they needed more time to support the trade of some products. Now, whatever that means, no one's exactly sure, but it sends a really clear message to markets that these products are going to have difficulty listing on traditional financial exchanges like the ASX. The crypto market and the blockchain space is well ahead of the regulators, and they're doing a lot of catching up right now. This is just the first crypto ETF. It's taken 5 months to get this far, and yet there's another roadblock. So no real clear information of what's happening yet. The market's awaiting that information, but as I said, a lot of these products are going to continue having difficulty getting listed.
And finally, tough market conditions we know at the moment. Where exactly are crypto investors finding some returns right now?
Yeah, well, I think consecutively on a Thursday for a month now, Bitcoin has been trading and Ethereum as well, pretty much on the same price level. People are looking hard and they're looking far for these opportunities. We look across the top 100 cryptocurrency assets. You've got Secret, StepN, and Convex Finance. They're the top performers in the last 24 hours. Now, they're up around that 10% range, so not massive returns. If I look at one in particular, StepN, a really exciting project that's just been around for now just over a month, and they listed through the Binance Launchpad. They've gained over 700%. Now, they were also 800 times oversubscribed in their initial coin offering, meaning if you pledged $800, you only got $1 of the actual coin. And what they do is they reward you for doing physical exercise. So you have the app on your phone and you buy a pair of NFT shoes. And for every kilometer you rack up, you earn rewards. Now, quite a niche product, a very interesting product as well. But again, people are looking hard and far for these niche and fast growing projects to get return in a crypto market that's looking very stagnant. And as I've been mentioning, without any major market moving news, it's likely to stay like that for some time to come.
Interesting times ahead. Louis Mossman from Platypus, thanks so much for your insight today.
Thank you very much, Adrian.